Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making a trade breakdown for you guys, which was the German 30. We took the German 30 trade yesterday, but before I go into the trade breakdown, I'll be sharing my Telegram channel for you guys to actually see the results and how the trade actually play out. And I'll be having a lot of things to teach to you guys so that you can learn from. All right. So please, if you're new to my channel, endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. All right, so now let me just show you my main chart so that you can my Telegram channel so that you can actually see. So now yesterday, yeah, this was it. So this is when I actually gave the buy signal to my free Telegram group. All right, and if you're not here guys, you're actually missing out, okay, because there's a lot going on and there will still be a lot to go on. So we took this trade. Why? Because there was a break of structure, a retest, a break of market structure, a return toward our order block, and then we're expecting the market to actually push to the upside. But although we're able to meet our first TP, which is 15960, all right, we're able to meet our first TP, which is 15960. Although I'll be showing you that in the main chart when we go. All right, so later on, this is the results for the trade. It later played out nicely. And the good thing about my channel is we don't actually trade only one pair. We trade two. We don't actually trade only forex. We trade both synthetic and forex. So joining us is an added advantage. For this morning, we have two trades, okay, and they're all running fine. But we're not going to be looking into that. So right now, let's go back to the main chart so that I can actually explain things to you guys. So first and foremost, we have to go to the higher time frame, which is the 4 hours. All right, and break things down a little bit, and then come back to the time frame which we entered. All right. So what happened here is why we actually considered taking this trade was first we have a sweep of this area. All right, a sweep of this area. We have a sweep. We have a sweep of this low. Right, the market swept it off to the downside. We have this sweep here to the downside. All right, so after the sweep, the market did not stay down. The market did not stay down. Okay, the market did not stay down. Right, after the sweep, the market did not stay down. So after the sweep, the market did not stay down actually that much. So and it came to this area where we have we have equal lows. All right, equal lows. So based on this, I think this is the reason why we had that strong rejection back to the upside. Okay, this was the reason why we have that strong rejection back to the upside. We have the liquidity grab and then the equal low being created. All right, so now we're going to go down to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so that we can actually get things clearer a little bit. So on the 1 hour, I think I'll prefer to use the 30 minutes time frame, yeah, because it has more details. Okay, it has more details. All right, so now looking at the 30 minutes time frame, we have this first break of market structure. Right, we have this first break of market structure because already we have already broken this high and then created a new high and then returned back to that area, and then we broke this area, broke the market structure, and then we have another break of market structure, which is this. All right, so now we have another break of what market structure, our BOS. So and the market kept creating those highs, right? It kept creating those highs. This is our BOS. All right, our boss. Have a break of market structure. So now after this break of market structure, the market actually did break another high, creating a higher high. All right, after that we have a new high being created. We have a new high being created. Sorry please guys. All right, I'm just trying to copy this. I wonder why it's not working. Alright. So we have a new high being created. Let me just allow that. We have a new high being created, which is this, all right? And that is our new high being created. So what happened? The market came from there. We tested this zone, which is more or less our demand zone. Market came from there. We tested this zone, which is our demand zone, and from there we had to break this market structure above. Okay, from there we broke this market structure above. All right, we had a break of this market structure above. So based on this, after the break of this market structure, what happened is I had to wait for the market to actually return back to our demand zone. I had to wait for the market to return back to our demand zone, which is this area here. So that was why we actually took that trade. And I know for sure that there was liquidity. Already we have equal highs around this area. We have equal highs around this area. And we have liquidity lying above this area. So I wanted the liquidity above this area to actually be swept out, but there was not enough momentum for that to happen. So I wanted that to happen. So that was the reason why we have our TP1 here and our TP2 right around this area. So so we all we had to achieve was we had our first take profit smashed, and when we started seeing some rejections, we had to actually take our trade. So we had to actually close the trades and take our profit. Okay, guys. So now let me go down to the smaller time frame, which is our entry time frame, so that you see. All right. So right here, what we can actually see here is we are seeing our demand zone right here. So we entered this trade somewhere around here. All right, we entered this trade somewhere around here because we have already these candlestick patterns indicate what reversal patterns. So whenever I see it, these are strong candlestick patterns which give me, whether I'm trading price action or smart money concept, I'm looking for this particular candles, and my stop loss was just slightly below this area, so that in case the market actually takes this area out, I know that okay, it's gonna go further than that. Okay, so right now I had to target, my TP1 was 5960. All right, 5960. So that was where 59 something, I think 5958, somewhere around there. That was where our TP1 was, and our TP2 was above that area. We wanted to grab the liquidity. We're hoping that the market will actually grab the liquidity above that area, but that did not happen. So please, guys, if you like videos like this, please leave a comment in the section. And if you love to take trades like this, please, and if you love to trade like this, please offer the free mentorship. Offer mentorship for courses like this. So right now, let me show you another trade which I took yesterday, but that was basically based on what price action. All right, my charts are actually loading up. All right, so the reason why we took that trade yesterday, and I'm also on a pound trade today, all right, based on price action. All right, so I don't only trade smart money concept, I'm a price action trader. I've been a price action trader from onset, but the reason why I decided to incorporate price money concept is this thing works. Okay, so but I did not give the old way which I was trading, but I just had to learn new principles because the market is always evolving, and one should always try to adapt to the new market conditions. Okay, so learning price action, smart money concept actually gave me an edge and an added advantage to my price action trading strategy. So before I just want to break this the pound dollar trade to you guys, but first we have to look at a 4 hours time frame. Okay, so that you guys get to see the reason why I actually took that buy. All right, so first and foremost, the market has actually been trading above after the break, taking out of this high. All right, this is a break of market structure. The market came back to this area and then pushed to the upside. So it took a while. It took a lot of time for it took a while because the market traded above this area for a very long time. All right, so it took a while for the market to come back to this area. So after seeing that, okay, that's already a high degree of confidence for me. Like, okay, this is what happened, and this is what happened, and since that happened, all right, I'm expecting to take a buy from this particular area. So what happened is there was a consolidation, all right, there was an accumulation. So what happened was I had to wait for what a breakout of. I just had to wait for a breakout. So after the breakout, that was when I had my trades in, okay, and this was almost like taking a lot of while. This is not like the indices, okay, which I trade, right? This doesn't move that fast, all right. So after the breakout, all right, and the retest, I had to like take my trades somewhere around here, and my stop loss just slightly below the low. All right, my stop loss was around 130 pips, I think I remember. All right, so I was targeting about 70 pips or thereabout. Okay, I was targeting 70 pips. So this was it, guys. This was it. So, and we had our TP smashed. Okay, the goal is to make money, and it's not about jumping from one trade to the other. Just try to focus on few pairs. As for me, I trade mainly gold. I trade the pound dollar, the pound yen, and Nasdaq, US 30, and German 30. Those are the pairs which I focus on. I know they are much low, but but I try as much as possible to understand those pairs, okay, because they are actually working for me, and I'm okay trading those ones. So this one, I think this has to actually create a higher high, all right. It has to create a higher high, go back to this area. So that was why we took this buys. Already now we are running in about 20 pips in profit. We're running about 20 pips in profit. So this is a trade which I took today, and I also shared it on the Telegram channel. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also follow us on the Telegram channel so that you'll be getting free trades like this one. All right, see you guys in my next video.